Start the bird dog hold by placing one hand in the center and the knee in the center of the body. Shift your weight. Keep the hand and the foot close to the ground and extend the leg and the hand, not touching the ground, keeping that body nice and stable. Notice that you do a shift of the weight first, extend the hand and the foot while touching the ground, and bring the arm and the leg up. Do not bring them too high. You want a nice neutral spine as you're holding that position. So he has a better angle. Drag the hand across the ground and the foot across the ground and lift, making sure that you're maintaining a nice neutral spine, and the back, torso, hips are parallel to the ground. That weight shift is crucial to maintain a good position as you lift and extend the limbs.